I'm joined by Gerald Cotton, who is the president of Quadriga FinTech Solutions. So tell us about Quadriga FinTech Solutions and what your technology is.
So Quadriga FinTech Solutions is the parent company of Quadriga CX, which is Canada's largest Bitcoin exchange. We're basically a clearinghouse where Bitcoin traders across the country buy and sell Bitcoin. Approximately 80% of all Bitcoin trading in Canada takes place on our platform, as well as a lot of the merchant transactions that also take place in Bitcoin in this country.
Great. And what do you believe is the factor that brought you guys from where you started to how big you guys got?
So one of the differences between Quadriga CX and a lot of our competitors is that I come from a background where I've dealt with digital currencies in the past. So I know the challenges that Bitcoin exchanges and any sort of digital currency faces. Traditionally, those have been banking challenges, AML, KYC challenges. So when we launched Quadriga CX, we were already quite aware of the current situation with the banking relations and basically how to integrate Bitcoin with the current payment network. So over 2 years, we began in December 2013. We've gone from 0 market share to now 80% market share, as most of our competitors have fizzled out.
And for the benefit of our viewers, can you explain the concept of Bitcoin?
So Bitcoin is a digital currency. It's also a payment network. It can also be used to send money worldwide. I like to compare it to cash for the internet. When you buy something typically on the internet, you might use PayPal or a credit card. When you're doing that, you're really sending Canadian dollars from the funds that are in your bank account. With Bitcoin, it's basically like you have cash, but it exists only in digital form. So you can pay anyone in the world instantly, any amount, as long as you have it in Bitcoin, and basically send it through the Bitcoin network. The Bitcoin currency is basically the unit of currency that Bitcoin uses. However, I could send you $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, and you could liquidate that wherever you are in the world.
And what is the growth potential currently that's expected as of now into 2016?
For Quadriga, we're seeing quite a bit of blue sky because at the moment we have 80% of the Canadian marketplace. However, the Canadian marketplace is relatively small. As of right now, the Canadian trading volume is approximately 1% of the global trading volume. By contrast, the volume in China, Hong Kong, Europe, and America are all substantially larger than the Canadian marketplace. So as we expand globally and are able to tap into a lot of that market, we'll be able to grow and our profits will increase dramatically.
Thank you for joining us, Gerald.
Thanks for having me.